Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Google Ads account. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate with team members, agencies, or clients who need to view or manage your advertising campaigns. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your Google Ads dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see an overview of your campaigns and account performance. Now, direct your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find several menu options. Look for the admin menu and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all the administrative settings for your account, including user permissions and access controls. Once you're in the admin section, you'll see various options related to account management. Here, you need to locate the Access and Security section. This is the hub where you control who can access your Google Ads account and what level of permissions they have. Go ahead and click on Access and Security to proceed. This will open up a page displaying all current users who have access to your account along with their respective permission levels. Now comes the part where you actually add a new admin or user. Look at the header section of your users list and you'll notice a plus button. This button is your gateway to inviting new people to your account. Click on the plus button and a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the details of the person you want to add. In this dialog box, start by typing in the email address of the person you wish to give access to. Make sure you enter the correct email address as this is where the invitation will be sent. After entering the email, you'll need to set the account access level based on your preference. Google Ads offers different permission levels, such as standard access for general management, admin access for full control, or read-only access for those who only need to view data. Choose the level that best fits the person's role and responsibilities. Once you've made your selection, simply click on Send Invitation. The invitation will be sent to the email address you provided, and all you have to do now is wait for the person to accept the invitation through their email. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invitation to grant access to your Google Ads account. The recipient will receive an email with instructions to accept the invitation and gain access according to the permissions you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.